Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Salesforce CRM. Salesforce CRM is a powerful platform designed to help businesses manage customer interactions and data throughout the customer lifecycle. It centralizes customer information, streamlines sales processes, and enhances customer service. You will learn to navigate its intuitive interface, access essential tools, and understand its fundamental components for effective customer relationship management. This guide will provide a solid foundation for maximizing your productivity. Next, we will delve into managing leads and accounts. Leads are potential customers, and you will learn to input their details, track their progress, and qualify them. Once a lead is qualified, you can convert it into an account, a contact, and an opportunity, seamlessly integrating them into your sales pipeline. Maintaining accurate account information, including contact details and interaction history, is crucial for building strong customer relationships and ensuring a comprehensive view of every client. Now, let's explore opportunities in the sales pipeline. An opportunity represents a potential sale, and you will learn to track its progress through distinct stages, from prospecting to closing. The sales pipeline provides a visual representation of all active deals, helping you forecast revenue with greater accuracy. Effective management of opportunities allows for better resource allocation and fosters collaboration among your sales team, ensuring everyone is aligned on achieving sales targets. Finally, we will cover reporting and customization. Salesforce offers robust reporting tools that allow you to generate insightful analyses of your sales performance, customer service, and marketing efforts. You can create custom dashboards to visualize key metrics at a glance, providing a personalized overview of your business operations. Understanding basic customization options empowers you to tailor the platform to your specific business processes, enhancing efficiency and user experience for your entire team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.